Hello, everyone, and welcome back, friends, to Mr. Adam Channel. I'm Sarah, and today we're diving into a topic everyone loves, seasons. Adam, do you have a favorite one?
Hey, Sarah. Oh, yes, definitely. I love autumn. The air feels calm, the leaves fall slowly, and everything smells like warm coffee. What about you?
That's beautiful, Adam. For me, it's spring, when flowers bloom and the world feels alive again. It's like a fresh start.
So true. Spring gives hope. I think seasons are like life. Each one teaches us something.
Exactly. And today we'll help our friends talk about their favorite season in English. If you're listening, think about it. Which season makes you feel happy?
Before we start, don't forget to subscribe and join our warm little English family.
Every week we talk about real life, real feelings, and real English. All right, let's begin with something simple.
You know, Sarah, sometimes I think the weather really affects how I feel. When autumn comes, I slow down, make more coffee, and start thinking about everything.
That's so true. Autumn feels like a quiet pause between the noise of summer and the cold of winter. So gentle.
That's why I love autumn. The colors, the smell of rain, the sound of leaves, everything feels peaceful.
I love spring. Everything comes alive again. There's a soft breeze and the scent of new flowers, like the earth whispering, "Begin again."
Beautiful. Begin again? That's what spring means. Hope.
Exactly. Spring brings joy, color, and makes people smile more.
I love autumn evenings. A cup of coffee, a warm blanket, soft music, simple happiness.
Sounds cozy. You and Autumn are made for each other, Adam.
And you're definitely a spring person, full of light and energy.
Thank you. I also admire people who love winter. They find beauty in silence.
True. Winter reminds me that rest is important. Sometimes life slows down just so we can breathe.
Like nature saying, pause, reflect.
Each season feels like a chapter in life.
Spring is youth, summer is adventure, autumn is reflection, and winter is wisdom.
That's poetic. Maybe that's why people love talking about seasons. They see themselves in them.
When someone says they love summer, I think of laughter, sunlight, and energy.
When they love autumn, I picture someone calm and thoughtful.
Winter lovers enjoy peace, soft lights, and warm tea.
And spring lovers, they're dreamers who always find a reason to smile.
You know, sometimes we don't choose the season chooses us.
What do you mean?
The season you love might reflect what your heart needs most.
Maybe. I love autumn because I need calm after a busy summer.
And I love spring because I need a new beginning. My soul wants to bloom again.
That's beautiful. Maybe seasons mirror our emotions, always changing, always returning.
Yes, even the coldest winter turns to spring.
Comforting thought. Cold days always end.
I think of spring rain, gentle, but it helps everything grow.
Growth isn't always loud. Sometimes it's quiet, like a morning after a storm.
I love that. People say small talk about weather is meaningless, but I think it's deeply human.
Exactly. Talking about seasons means talking about memories and life.
Like rain reminding you of walking home, or the first snow making you feel like a kid again.
Or summer nights, full of laughter and music.
Nature really holds our memories, doesn't it?
That's why autumn feels like home to me. Every falling leaf reminds me beauty doesn't last forever. And that's okay.
For me, spring is home, full of life and second chances.
You love beginnings, I love endings.
That's why our talks feel balanced.
You bring sunrise, I bring sunset.
Together, we make a full day.
That might be the nicest thing you've said to me.
Don't get used to it, Adam.
You know what I love about seasons? They teach patience. You can't rush spring or hold back autumn.
Everything comes at the right time, the gentlest lesson of all.
Maybe that's why seasons comfort people. They remind us change is natural.
And beautiful. Even the coldest day has its quiet beauty.
Just like people, right?
Exactly. We all have our winters and springs.
Maybe we need all 4 seasons to remember nothing, not even sadness, lasts forever.
And the same goes for joy. The beauty is noticing it while it's here.
That's the heart of it. Living in rhythm with time.
It's funny. When I notice small things, I feel more present. A cup of tea, the neighbor's radio, sunlight on the floor.
Those small moments make seasons rich, little threads that hold days together.
And when we share them, the world feels smaller and kinder.
Small and kind. Sounds like the perfect place to live.
And in that place, peace stays.
So, autumn feels like home to me.
Maybe. Autumn is letting go. Spring is new starts.
Letting go has been freeing for me lately.
Same. I used to chase noise. Now I love light and rain.
Seasons change our idea of happiness.
Spring brings hope. Summer brings joy. Autumn brings gratitude. Winter brings patience.
Autumn's gratitude really fits.
I think autumn smells like old books and small beginnings.
Spring smells like forgiveness.
If seasons spoke, winter would say rest.
And summer would shout, live.
Spring would whisper, try again.
Autumn would say, be thankful.
Nature never rushes, yet everything happens.
That steady rhythm comforts me.
Walking outside reminds me life has order.
Even when life's messy, the earth keeps turning.
That promise that nothing stays forever gives hope.
I remember last winter, the first sunshine felt like a miracle.
That morning always feels like welcome back.
Quiet seasons heal us.
They prepare us for new things.
Trees don't die, they wait and grow again.
Hard times prepare us for beginnings.
Autumn feels emotional. Less sadness, more awareness.
Awareness makes moments precious.
I wish we could see ourselves like nature does, just in a season.
Some rest in winter, others plant in spring.
So we shouldn't compare. Everyone grows differently.
Some plant, some harvest, some watch the rain.
All parts matter.
No rush, no race, just growth.
Peace is being okay where you are.
Acceptance feels like sunlight after a long winter.
We started with weather and somehow ended with life.
That's our way. Small things always lead to big meaning.
Seasons feel like life, written in another language.
They do. Mornings sound like spring, evenings like autumn.
We live in our favorite hours.
Morning feels like hope. Evening feels like peace.
If you could keep one season forever, what would it be?
Maybe spring. For the colors and the soft air. You?
I wouldn't keep any. I'd miss the change.
Change keeps us alive. Without it, everything fades.
Leaves must fall. Time must move.
And we must too. Softly, kindly.
Maybe happiness is just that. Living like nature.
Letting go, growing, beginning again.
Talking with you feels calm.
Talking with you feels real.
Like a quiet spring morning.
Or an autumn evening with golden light.
Some conversations stay forever.
They linger like music after silence.
Every season leaves a gift.
We unwrap them slowly, one by one.
Some are joy. Some are lessons.
But all of them change us.
Maybe that's how time loves us, through little gifts we barely notice.
The quiet kind, the ones hidden in ordinary days.
Life moves quickly, but peace moves slow.
Slow enough to notice a breeze, a color, a breath.
I think real peace is accepting where we stand.
And trusting what's coming next.
The earth never hurries, yet it blooms every year.
That patience feels holy.
Sometimes silence says everything.
Winter teaches that best.
I think we're all between seasons, learning, resting, changing.
And that's fine. Change means we're still alive.
Maybe peace is a rhythm, not a goal.
A rhythm of letting go and starting again.
When the wind shifts, I want to stay grateful.
And when the light fades, I want to stay kind.
We can, by walking gently through every season.
Slowly, open-hearted, without fear.
Because all moments matter.
They become our story.
Live fully, whatever the season.
Always begin again. Thank you so much for joining today's lesson, and it was great to see you. Stay healthy and keep practicing.
If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next English lessons. Your support means a lot to us and helps us to be more motivated to create more interesting and useful content, helping you speak English naturally and confidently every day. Thank you again, and see you in the next video.
We will be back soon with another interesting episode. Bye!